Before we proceed, I need to see your ID card.
Sure, this is my ID card.
Thank you. Let me check this ID card. Everything looks good.
Can I pay with card?
Of course, you can pay by credit card. Sorry, it looks like your payment was unsuccessful.
Oh, what do you mean?
Our system shows that there are insufficient funds on your credit card. Do you have another payment method?
I didn't expect that. Only have cash. Is that acceptable?
Of course, we accept cash payment.
For total payment of 1 million rupiah on one night, right?
Sure, the total for one night is 1 million rupiah. If you would like to pay in cash, please hand me the amount.
Okay, here's the money.
Thank you. Okay, here is the receipt for your payment. Your room is ready and the room key is here.
Thank you very much for your help.